Here's some Abolition Movement trivia. Subscribe. Who led a famous slave rebellion in 1831? Is it A. John Brown, B. Denmark Vesey, C. Nat Turner, or D. Gabriel Prosser? The correct answer is C. Nat Turner. In what year did the 13th Amendment pass? Is it A. 1801, B. 1832, C. 1873, or D. 1865? The correct answer is D. 1865. Who authored The Impending Crisis of the South? Is it A. William Lloyd Garrison, B. Harriet Beecher Stowe, C. Frederick Douglass, or D. Hinton Rowan Helper? The correct answer is D. Hinton Rowan Helper. Which woman was a key figure in organizing the Seneca Falls Convention? Is it A. Harriet Tubman, B. Elizabeth Cady Stanton, C. Sojourner Truth, or D. Susan B. Anthony? The correct answer is B. Elizabeth Cady Stanton. Who was the first African-American woman to publish a book? Is it A. Alice Walker, B. Zora Neale Hurston, C. Toni Morrison, or D. Phyllis Wheatley? The correct answer is D. Phyllis Wheatley. What crucial Supreme Court case upheld slavery in 1857? Is it A. Marbury v. Madison, B. Plessy v. Ferguson, C. Dred Scott v. Sanford, or D. Brown v. Board? The correct answer is C. Dred Scott v. Sanford. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.